Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Binance to Binance. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the method on how to send money from Binance to Binance. So the first step is to send crypto using your wallet transfer. So to do that, you have to open your Binance or log in through the website, then go to your wallet, then click on fiat and spot. Then from there, select the crypto you want to send. So you can simply click on the BTC or USDT you want to send. From there, click on withdraw, then paste the recipient Binance deposit address. From there, then select the correct network. You can pick from this list of network. You can pick the BIP20 for BNB or ERC20 for Ethereum. Then from there, enter the amount, then click on confirm, then complete using your two-step verification, and that's how to send money from Binance to Binance. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.